Third. Then what happens? The aspirant, here one word has come. The word seer has come. When you have done it, then you become seer, not before that. You are not mere student. You are a student only before you have accepted the discipline. After you have accepted the discipline and attained Nirodha, you become a seer. Seer is he, one who sees things as they are and does not get himself involved with the scene. He is called seer. You see, because these four sutras make nucleus, and whole book is explanation. You see, if you understand these four sutras, you understand everything in principle. But for practice, you have to learn more. Then you become, then the seer, so consciousness is established in its true essence, true nature. What is your true nature today? You don't know. My true nature is that I am son of such and such, I lived in the Himalayas, I had a master, is this my true nature? I have a body, I have a particular face, I am called Swami Rama. Is it my true nature? No. It's not my true nature. When I was born, I was so little. That changed. I used to go to school. That changed. I became adult. That changed. I become old. That is also changing. This is not essential nature. Essential nature means that which is not subject to change, death and decay, that is called essential nature. That which never changes. That which is beyond changes, that which is everlasting, that which cannot be changed in any condition, that is called. Where is that? I see everything is changing outside in my body. So surely it is not outside because it's full of changes. Surely it is not my body, in my senses, in my mind. It is something beyond my body, breath, senses and mind. How will you know this? When you will see your body is different, you are not your body. I see my body different from me. I see my mind different. I see my breath different. This time when I am seeing all this, I am seer. Such a seer who has learned to understand, not identifying himself with the body, breath, mind and senses. Such a seer establishes himself in his essential nature, that is peace, happiness and bliss. I leave you here. I want you. Tomorrow I can teach you for a long time because I cannot complete I have not completed these two sutras which I was supposed to do. You have to do other things. So tomorrow I want you to form your questions on what I have spoken to you today, not here and there. Don't tell me where you get marble cigarettes. I cannot tell you. Ask question according to the subject and I will be able to reply, and if I cannot, I will tell you, sorry, I don't know. You understand? So, God bless you.